my pony's lame, and he can hardly stand. Listen to the northern side. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on our mind, for it's nearly Christmas time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. It's only 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling, and it seems mighty like a woman's screams. So we best be moving faster if we can. Time, just think about the barn, with the hay so soft and warm. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. It's only 3 more miles to Marianne. And get up, you ornery curs, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. Alright then, perhaps it's best that we stop a while and rest, for it's still 100 yards to Marianne. It's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He had made it, but he couldn't leave Old Town. Yes, they found him there on the plains, his hands froze to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.